What's up, YouTube? It's your host, Kelsey, and thank you for tuning in to Choice Barber TV. If this is your first time viewing this channel, I do videos about all things barbering, from product reviews to how to find a job. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a barber kit under $60. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned. So I came across a barber kit on AliExpress for under $50. I went ahead and ordered it. It's from Kemei. I believe I'm pronouncing that right, Kemei or Kemei. But you get a clipper, a trimmer, and a shaver in one set for under $60, which is a great price because usually clippers will cost you anywhere from $80, trimmers another $45 to $70, and also the shavers, which range from another $45 to $65 for a shaver or balder. And here's just a little layout that I did of the difference in prices. You'll be saving yourself about $110 if you ordered an AliExpress barber kit. But the question is it worth it, or is it just a cheap product? Let's find out. So right out the box, you'll notice that the Kemei KM-5021s, the blades are crooked, and that's an easy fix. So all you have to do is grab yourself a screwdriver, and I actually have a link in the description section that directs you to a video that will show you how this is done. Now moving on to the Kemei trimmers. These are the KM-5021 trimmers. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I already have an unboxing and product review video on these particular trimmers, and that's also found in the description section below. And moving right along to the Kemei shavers, or balders as some refer them to. This is the KM-1102 model. I have not done a product review on these yet. I'm not really sure how I feel about them. I have used them a few times, but that will be coming out soon. So that's the entire kit. You have your shaver, your trimmer, and your clipper all in one barber kit for under $60. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, you can find a link in the description section. I would like to hear your feedback. What do you think about these clippers or this brand? Let me know in the comment section below, and I will comment or reply to any questions you may have. So at this point, you're probably wondering, can they cut? Are they any good? So I'm going to do a quick time-lapse video on a client that you have seen in previous videos doing the mohawk fade, and I'm going to let you guys decide. I have a couple of angles I took this from. One side I used the Kemeis, and the other side I used the Wall Professionals. So you determine what you think is the better brand, or how well do you think the Kemeis actually cut. And I'll give you my opinion at the end, so stay tuned. Right here, I'm using the Kemei trimmers. They just aren't doing the job quite right, so I ended up switching to my Andis Slimline Pro trimmers just to get the job done faster because it just wasn't cutting it. So in my honest opinion, after working with these clippers a few times and this set a couple of times, they're not professional line. They are a cheaper, more cheaper brand, so you get what you pay for at the end of the day. But if you want to give them a whirl, like I said, I have a link in the description below. You can go ahead and order yourself a set. Thank you for staying tuned. I hope to catch you in the next video.